All right, fam, here we go again. Got another taste test. What do we got this time? We got that. The Pringles Scorchin Wavy Loaded Nachos chips. I bought these for Mr. Blake, but never got a chance to do a taste test video. So I'm going to do a taste test video, even though I don't like spicy stuff. At least not that spicy, not scorching spicy. I mean, like, I like a little heat, but scorching, nah, I'm all good on that. But regardless, we're going to give this a taste test. So we got it all sealed up here. You gotta pop this top open. I got some dip over there, just so you know. There we go. All right. Let's see here. Let's give it the old Blake sniff test. Just smells like regular Pringles chips. Now, I see a little bit of seasoning on there. But let's see how scorching they are. Doesn't really taste like nachos. Alright. We're gonna dip it in some of that Northeast Ohio famous Lawson's chip dip. Give it a try. But the chip dip obviously makes it a billion times better. Yeah, it's all right. I mean, the chip by itself was half a thumb. Chip with the chip dip, that was a full thumb. So them Scorchin Wavy Pringles, nah. But with that chip dip, oh yeah, good stuff. All right, let's see you next time.